boat left without us? Because I don't see a boat here.
Ooh, that's...
At least we can swim backwards. It's our chance to prove that the swimming teacher was wrong. We know how to swim.
Yeah.
At least the storm's not here yet. Oh no, the storm! The storm! The storm! Oh no! I think it's going west. Why? Anna! I think the storm has stopped. Let's go before it gets even worse. Oh, I think we see Malibu. I think I see Malibu. Do you?
Oh, yeah. I see it.
Hey. Excuse me, where are we?
In Malibu.
Oh, I think we were right, Elsa.
Mm-hmm.
Can you show us the nearest hotel?
Okay.
But,
Follow me.
But where are we going to go to find the coconuts on the palm tree?
You see, there's a lot of palm trees and coconuts in this area. So you could technically find them everywhere.
Wow. Thank you, Jeff. Thank you. What's your name again?
Jasmine.
Thank you, Jasmine.